In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download and install the Actions and Stuff 1.5 pack here within Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If this video does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel and helps me keep making more Minecraft content just like this video. Now this pack is super fun and it does add a bunch of cool features, so let's go ahead and dive straight into this. First, make sure you exit your current world if you are in any, and return to the Minecraft main menu. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you find this marketplace option. Go ahead and click on this, and from here, what you're gonna wanna do is actually find that Actions and Stuff pack. Now, it might be on the front page for you. If I scroll down just a little bit, it's on there for me. It is one of the best selling packs out there, but if it's not, just go up to the very top and search for Actions and Stuff, just like so, and hit enter. It's gonna take you to a page that looks like this. Now, once you open up this pack, you'll see that this pack does include a few different things. It includes 6 skins and 1 texture pack, and you're also going to see the price listed. For me, it is either $9.99 USD or $16.90 Minecoins. You can also get this in the Marketplace Pass if you would like, but you'll either want to click on the Minecoin section up at the top or just the price, just like so, to start your purchase. Now, once you go ahead and purchase the pack, what you're going to want to do is actually select it. To do this, you can either go to Settings and then find the Global Resource Pack down at the very bottom, and it's going to be in your My Pack section, just like so. Essentially, go ahead and find it on there, click on it, and then hit Activate. Alternatively, if you only want it on a certain world, you can just open up, find whatever world you want to add it onto, click on this little arrow, scroll down until you find the Resource Pack section and find the Available section, just like so. Go into your owned and then activate the pass from there by just hitting Activate. From here, you just need to go ahead and hit play, and you'll immediately notice that the animations and textures have a lot more detail and personality. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.